Hello there and welcome. Have you ever struggled to fall asleep? Do you find yourself tossing and turning all night, unable to quiet your mind? If so, you're not alone. Sleep is essential to our well being, yet it's something that many of us struggle with. That's why I'm here, to introduce you to the world of sleep. My name is Karen Vos, and I'm an experienced sleep storyteller with years of experience and training. I know just how to craft the perfect story to help you drift off into a peaceful slumber. Whether you prefer stories that are whimsical, adventurous, or relaxing, I've got you covered. From my studio right here in Canada, I create custom sleep stories that are designed to help you get the restful sleep you need. So if you're ready to embark on a journey to the land of Nod, join me for the next chapter of your sleep story. I'm Karen Vos, and I'm here to guide you on your way to a better night's sleep. Sweet dreams.